Let me ask you something. Every year, many students learn programming, but only a small percentage actually become successful software developers. Why? Because we learn a small part of development. But most of the software companies expect developers to have knowledge on full stack development, microservices architecture, cloud deployment, DevOps tools, and now AI integration. This is exactly why this course was created. Introducing Full Stack Java with AI Codes. A complete training designed to take you from beginner to industry ready developer in just 5 months. This batch is starting from 26th March at 8 pm IST. This program is structured into 8 powerful modules covering everything required to build modern applications. Module 1 Core Java. Build a strong programming foundation with Java fundamentals, OOP concepts, exception handling, multi-threading, and collections. You will develop the logic and thinking required to write efficient and scalable code. Module 2 Web Technologies. Learn how to build responsive and interactive user interfaces using modern web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and frameworks like Angular and React. This helps you to create user-friendly web applications. Module 3 Database Concepts. Understand how data is stored and managed using both SQL and NoSQL databases like MySQL and MongoDB. Module 4 Advanced Java. Learn how backend systems work using technologies like JDBC, servlets, and JSP. You will build dynamic web applications and understand server-side processing. Module 5 Frameworks. Master the most important Java frameworks used in companies today, including Spring and Spring Boot. GenAI using Spring AI, the most powerful part of this course. Artificial intelligence is changing the future of software development, but most developers only use AI tools. In this course, you will learn something far more powerful. You will learn how to build your own Gen AI applications using Spring AI. This means you will understand how to integrate AI into real applications, build intelligent backend services, create AI-powered systems. Module 6 Linux and AWS Cloud. Learn how to deploy applications using Linux and AWS Cloud services. You will understand how applications are hosted, managed, and scaled. Module 7 Realtime Tools and DevOps Tools. Work with industry tools like GitHub, Maven, and DevOps tools like Docker, Jenkins, and Kubernetes. You will gain real-time exposure with these tools. The final module, Module 8 Full Stack Project. Build a full stack application using Spring Boot, Microservices, and Angular. This course is not just about learning one technology. You are learning a complete developer ecosystem. You will gain skills in programming, front-end development, backend systems, databases, cloud deployment, microservices architecture, DevOps tools, and AI-powered application development. Along with this, you will also learn how to build a real-world project giving you practical experience. The difference between an average developer and high-value developer is simple. One learns just coding. The other understands how real systems are built and deployed. If you start now, you position yourself in top category of developers. Before you decide, you can attend 3 free demo classes from this program. This will help you understand the teaching style, the code structure, and the level of depth covered. This batch is starting from 26th March at 8 pm IST. We will be providing the source codes, the notes, and the recordings for lifetime access. To reserve your spot or get more details, please contact our WhatsApp number +91 93904 73579 or email us at rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com.